Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Shaju and this is my informative speech about art appreciation. I really hope to inspire you more to reflect the important role that art appreciation plays in our society. It has been said that all art is priceless and pictures can be worth 1,000 words. Speaking of priceless artwork, did you know that Leonardo da Vinci Salvator Mundi, which was sold for $450.3 million, is the world's most expensive artwork? Being an artist myself, I know why art is appreciated and is important to our society these days. Growing up, I was always into drawing and painting. From middle school throughout high school, I participated in various competitive events such as visual art and scholastic events and scholastic art and writing. Going through these competitions, I was able to better understand, thus unlocking a new perspective to appreciate art. I really hope to inspire you more to reflect the important role that art appreciation plays in our society. Moving forward, I will be talking about what is art, the importance of art appreciation, the benefit that comes from art appreciation. To understand more about art appreciation, let's talk about what is art. Jackson Pollock is an American painter and a major figure in the abstract expressionist movement. Once said that art is coming face to face with yourself. Art challenges people to look past what is required for life and encourages people to create for the sake of their own voice and meaning. Exposure and experience of art enhances one's creative thinking. According to Healing Power of Art and Artists, HPAA, numerous studies have provided more than ample data to prove that art education impacts everything from standard educational excellence to social and emotional development and far more. Through art, we can discover cultural sophistication. Humans have contributed a lot in the past in forms of artifacts. These artifacts gives us an understanding of our past worlds. Art will reflect perspective, defines everyone's current society, render a global impact, and respected for its sophistication. Everywhere you go, art is evident. We are surrounded by a world of art. It is up to us to understand the importance that art provides to this world and learn how to appreciate it. Now that I gave you a basic understanding of art, let me introduce you to the importance of art appreciation. Art appreciation strives towards strengthening people's view by engaging to different perspectives and viewpoints, as well as fostering meaningful discussions and understanding that is more meaning to a picture. Through art, we are able to unlock a new perspective of our thoughts. Art creates an awakening of emotions in ourselves. Emotions such as love, hate, sorrow, regret, and can all be awoken when we learn to appreciate art. It is quite essential to strengthen art appreciation because it focuses on the understanding the art and how much it communicates to us and what it signifies over each individual. There are a lot to be said about the benefits of art appreciation. Executive Director Royce L. of New York Foundation of Arts NYFA states that there are benefits which comes from art appreciation. Art and cultural appreciation can increase performance in learning and nature and individuals' creative thinking. A survey conducted by the University of California at Los Angeles shows a staggering improvement in the academic development in youth that participate in artistic activities. Finally, we come to an understanding that overall goal for art appreciation. In conclusion, art appreciation is the awareness and recognition of the art that is around us. It is truly a unique experience to appreciate art as it unlocks different perspectives in us. The more you appreciate and understand the art of other ages, movements, patterns, and methods, the more you can make and analyze and develop your own understanding in the world around us. I'm concluding my message with a quote, which I hold so dearly. Aristotle once says, "The aim of art is to represent not the outward appearance of things, but the inner significance." I always like this expression as how perfectly this encapsulates everything I consider to be among the greatest goal of creativity. In addition, this seems fascinating when thought about how, based on the viewer's viewpoint, one piece of artwork can bear several meanings. And that is all for my presentation. Thank you for watching.